Hey friends, Kendra here. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today's video is all about refreshing our hair, reviving our hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my hair ready and prepared for the day. So if you guys are interested and you want to see the process, girl, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, first off, let me start off by saying I always wear a silk or satin scarf. So that is what I have on here. This is just a silk satin. It actually may be satin. I actually bought this in Dubai. It was actually my head wrap when I went to their holy mosque. And I have just loved it ever since. Like, it's such good quality, y'all. Let me take it off. How I had that wrapped up and why I had that wrapped up so tight, I have no idea. But you guys know that I do the mini pineapples. That is my thing. That is what keeps my hair nice and preserved. It keeps my curls nice and defined. So I have a couple of mini pineapples in, as you can see, just two. I have split my hair into two. And I just pineappled the front, and then I pineappled the middle and the back. I leave alone because I want those curls to, you know, just lay flat. They revive better in the back when I do it that way. So I don't wrap any bands because it's so short. It's not necessary to wrap any hair bands around. So all that I take is like an elastic band, one without the little metal clasp things because you don't want it to pull at your hair. And these are actually like puff bands, you know, they're kind of long. And I just wrap it around my hair 5 or 6 or 7 times, whatever's necessary. And this gives me a stretch, as you can see. And I just take my hands and I just kind of, you know, spread the hair out because it's just been so confined overnight. As you can see, I have some frizz. This is an old Twistout, 2-strand Twistout, so I'm gonna have some frizz. And then let me take out the back. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. Wake those curls up by rubbing your fingers around them. Just rubbing back and forth to wake them up. Now the product that I'm going to be using and that I love to use is by Aunt Jackie's. It's the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Natural Growth Oil Blend. It is the Frizz Rebel. It has coconut and sweet almond. This is a penetrating anti-poof formula that smooths and shines dry, rebellious tresses. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no petroleum. So I'm going to be applying this oil to the palms of my hand, and I'm going to be massaging it into my scalp and then patting it into my hair. So just kind of scrunch it onto my hair. I don't want to rub the curls anymore. Because I don't want them to get even more frizzy. As you can see, I still have some definition. So I have a true mohawk right now. Okay, now we're gonna work on our sides. All right, you guys, for the sides of my hair, I'm gonna be spritzing them down with a little bit of water. And I'm gonna be adding a little bit of the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss. This is the curling jelly. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of this to my sides, and this is just gonna help further define them. I am gonna be using the curling sponge, and I'll place a link down in the description box if you guys are interested in this. This isn't the curl sponge. I actually purchased this from my local beauty supply store, so I think it's a knockoff because it's kind of hard. But I'll put links for both the curl sponge and for this little knockoff down in the description box for you guys, so you guys will have that. So let me go ahead and spritz the sides of my hair. You don't need a lot. Okay, and I still have a bunch of definition. So they're just flat. I'm using my hands to just rub it around in a circle just to activate those curls. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a teensy weensy bit of the curling jelly, the Curl Boss, and do the same thing in circular motion That's all that I do. Now I take my sponge, and it's really simple. I do the same thing that I just did with my hands, but with my sponge. And it has two different sides. Okay, this side gives me really small curls. This side gives larger curls. So of course, our hair is really short on the side, so we're gonna use the small side. And wait till I take it off. You guys are gonna be like, dang, look at those curls. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna take my pick and I'm just gonna begin to shape my hair. All right, you guys, so the last step is to define my edges if that's the look that I'm going for. So I'm gonna be taking my edge brush and I'm gonna be taking a little bit of the Curl Boss and I'm gonna be dipping it in there and just kind of defining my edges however I want that to look. And that is pretty much it, you guys. That is the process that I take. With the mini pineapples, my hair can last so long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I've answered all your questions when it comes to reviving a twist out. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to check the description box for information on all the products that I used in this video. And as always, I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.